Hey there, this is Aaron, and I've been having a lot of fun today with generative AI, and I wanted to share the fun with you. So what I'm going to do is download one of these fantasy scenes that I had generated earlier. Doesn't really matter which one. Let's say this one has some dynamics happening. So I'm going to go over here into Photoshop, where I already was playing with one of these images, not gonna lie, and we'll open this up. And here's our new scene. So there you go. I find that generative AI does a fantastic job with fantasy type scenes like this, and let's add even more to it. So what I would like to do is take this and change the size of the canvas. We'll make it 1500 pixels square, which is quite a bit larger. And so there you go. That's going to be our full canvas size. And it's as simple as taking an area here, highlighting the area that we want to fill. I can be a little bit liberal with the selection area. I'm going to generate fill for this first section and see what it comes up with. That's actually a pretty cool image. There's a lot going on there. A lot of details. Cool. And it has in fact filled out that side for us. Let's zoom out a little bit. Cool, but there are also other variations we can choose from. I think we might as well, if you're going to have an additional castle opportunity, you might as well go for it. That's my motto in life. So let's fill in this side now. That's super cool actually, isn't it? And it does match the rest of the artwork perfectly. And I have a feeling it'll do the same fantastic job for us here. Look at that, beautiful. A little bit garbled up in there. Let's check out the other variations. There's one, and there's one. Let's zoom out and see which one looks the best. I think that one looks great. So, just going to repeat the same thing now for the top and the bottom. Generate the top. I don't know if it's going to add any details, so to speak, up there. It will probably just be more clouds and sky, but you never know what the variations could offer. Let's find out. Alright, ooh, that's very dramatic looking now. So is that sky, and so is that one. That's pretty cool. Add some motion to it, and let's generate fill for the bottom. Zoom in a little bit on these clouds that it made. Very pretty. And it is seamless from the clouds in the original artwork to up here where it was generated. I think it looks beautiful. And there's the bottom for us. Let's get the bar out of the way and have a look. Oh wow. Ooh, pretty. So any of these look great. I think that this one is probably makes the most sense with the rest of the image. And it's just that easy. Isn't that beautiful? There you go, folks. Generative AI.